Hey guys, Dana here with ASL Love, and today I wanted to show you how to sign the word weather and some weather-related vocabulary. So to sign the word weather, I've seen numerous variations. I use 2W hand shapes. I've also seen you're giving your dominant hand a shake as you're moving the sign down. And then another common sign for weather so there's a few options for you. Some weather-related vocabulary can start with sunny. So to sign sun or to show that it's sunny out, you're going to point up at the sky and bring that sunshine down on you. Sunny. To show that it's raining, 5 hand shapes, palm facing down. Now this would be light rain. This would be some pretty steady rain, and then this would be some slanted sideways rain. So one sign, the speed of the sign and your facial expression can change the meaning. Rain, it's raining, it's raining. It's raining, it's been raining all day. Really been raining. There's 3 different variations for how to sign one word. Lightning and thunder. I've seen lightning a few ways, maybe 2 different ways. Pointer fingers, zigzag motion. How you would see lightning come down from the sky. I've also seen where your pointer fingers touch and you show it with one hand. I always show it with both hands. Thunder starts with your pointer finger extended into S hand shapes. It's showing the sound of thunder. Snow, 5 hand shapes again, palm facing down, but you're making a wavy motion. The same as rain, you could show flurries, or to sign the word storm, it's basically just showing that everything's a mess out there. If you wanted to show that it was warm, cool, humid, warm, warm. Cool. Notice the mouth movement. Humid. Sticky. And now you know some signs for describing the weather. I hope that helps.